Implementing the software for us was a very simple process. We found that it was very user-friendly, it was very easy for us to adjust to, and I was surprised. My cup setters, I thought it would take them some time to get up to speed with the system. Within a week's time, they had a complete grasp of it, and it was very easy for them to understand what they needed to do.
Everything's really easy to use online. You can also access it from your phone as well. So when you're out in the field, you can utilize your phone to double check hole locations. It's also great for memberships to use the phone's app in order to find their hole locations.
How long did it take us to get up to speed with the software? It was almost instantaneous, a couple days. John was always accessible and readily available to help us in anything that we needed, so it did not take long at all.
I am one to shy away from this type of technology, and it was probably some of the hesitation I had first to wanting to be a part of it, but now it is so friendly. At the end of every day, I'm thinking about the pin locations for the next day.
The software in ezLocator is very user-friendly, and John and the rest of the team did a phenomenal job of getting us up to speed on how to use it. Like I said, the user-friendliness is definitely a bonus of ezLocator.
I trained our staff on how to use it, the computer program, the two assistants, in a matter of minutes. I mean, it's flawless, and in today's world, I mean, it's almost like it's almost too easy to use.
So therefore, it's a really good user-friendly software.